major fire broke out at Bomdila in Arunachal Pradesh late yesterday evening, and the fire broke out near Sahara Tyre and gutted down 3 houses in the vicinity. Well, locals rushed to the spot immediately and got engaged in rescuing the occupants of the houses, even as the flames spread rapidly. And soon, fire tenders and district disaster management personnel reached at the spot and battled the flames for a few hours before it could be doused completely. While no casualty or injury has been reported in the incident, and the fire managed to burn down 3 houses, causing heavy damage to properties.
ऊपर में दो, डायरेक्ट ऊपर में दो।
ऊपर से गिरेगा रे, ऊपर से।
इसको टानो, लो पानी। ऊपर में दो, डायरेक्ट ऊपर में।